ज्योतिष के क्षेत्र में अपनी सफलता का परचम लहरा चुके ज्योतिष गुरु श्री के.एन. राव के हाथों मेडल से सम्मानित, अपनी सटीक भविष्यवाणी के लिए सुप्रसिद्ध और ज्योतिष अलंकार एवं ज्योतिष आचार्य अवार्ड से सम्मानित ज्योतिष आचार्य रमन जी।
Friends, this is Acharya Raman, Vedic astrologer since last 20 years. Today we'll do monthly horoscope for October 2021, and next in the series we'll take up natives with Gemini sign to know what is coming in October for these people with respect to their careers, love and relationship, finance and health, and at the end of it we'll do remedies to overcome these problems. So friends, let us start our video monthly horoscope for October 2021 for Gemini natives, and if you like it, then at the end of it please do comment on it, share it, like it, and also please do subscribe to my channel. As you can see the transit chart for October 2021, the position of planets placed in October 2021. Starting with the career for Gemini natives, for the natives belonging to the zodiac sign of Gemini, this month will be proving ordinary with regards to their career. The planet Saturn placed in the 8th house, which is also aspecting the 10th house, which is the house of your profession. Due to this transit of Saturn, there might be lots of ups and downs in your career. You may not be able to get good results of your hard work. Also, your 10th Lord Jupiter is also placed with Saturn in 8th house, where Jupiter is getting debilitated, so you might face too much of hurdles in your profession, especially at the starting phase or initial phase. But since Jupiter is also making a Neech Bhang Raj Yoga with Saturn, things might improve after initial failures. Also, the placement of Sun and Mars together in the 4th house and aspecting the 10th house of profession, you will have the required courage to enhance your leadership qualities. Also, after one day of October, placement of Ascendant Lord Mercury in the 4th house, Ascendant Lord Mercury in the 4th house in the sign of exaltation, which is Virgo sign, and also aspecting the 10th house, you will be able to gain appreciation and accolades from the superiors through your intelligence, as Sun and Mercury would be making Buddha Aditya Yoga and aspecting the 10th house of profession, so you will be gaining through your networking. However, placement of Ketu in the 6th house might create some sort of misunderstanding between the colleagues. Those who are into business, since 7th Lord Jupiter is getting debilitated with Saturn in the 8th house making a Neech Bhang Raj Yoga, so there would be too many initial hurdles and failures. But if you carry on with your hard work and sincere effort, you would be able to cope up and gain success after overcoming initial obstacle. Also, in some cases there may be clash among the partners, and due to which sudden ending of partnership might also be there, as Jupiter is also the 7th Lord. Now, due to the 11th Lord Mars and 3rd house together in 4th house with exalted Mercury for the first 2 weeks of the month, 11th Lord, which is Mars and Lagna Lord and 4th Lord Mercury together with Sun for the first 15 days of October aspecting the 10th house will be beneficial for those who are doing business connected with government or any government sector. You will also make network with higher authorities of government sector or people with position in power. Those in export business will gain after one day, since Venus will transit to the 6th house and will aspect the own 12th house from the 6th house. Then the person is export business, especially in women clothing, accessories or jewelry, or makeup etc. items will gain handsome profits. Now, starting with the finance situation for Gemini, financial situation will not be good this month as Saturn along with Jupiter is aspecting the second house and Mars would also be aspecting the 11th house of gains from the 4th house, thereby increasing the income. As Rahu is placed in the house of expenditure or loss and expenses, indicating that you will have good income but expenses will also remain very high. So it is very important to curb your expenses. After Monday, Mercury would also be in 4th house and would get exalted in Virgo sign, and in 4th house aspecting the 10th house. Those people doing business in trading or commission business will get good number of clients and may be able to enhance their income. Also, as 11th Lord Mars is placed in the 4th house with exalted Mercury aspecting the 10th house, so natives doing property or land related business will find good gains. Also, natives who have brought land as investment will be able to make good deal and would be able to gain handsomely. Now, regarding the love and relationship, there will be trouble in love and romance as 5th Lord Venus after 1 day of October will transit to the 6th house with Ketu, due to which there might be misunderstanding between the two of you. Also, after 16th of October, Sun will transit to the 5th house and will get debilitated in Libra sign, due to which there might be clashes, fights and arguments between lovers as a result of ego problems between the lovers. Single persons will find it difficult to get into new relationship in the month of October due to the aspect of Saturn on the 5th house. Saturn would be aspecting the 5th house from the 8th house, and in some cases it might break off the relationship between lovers. Married natives will also face trouble as 7th Lord Jupiter would be placed in the 8th house with Saturn and getting debilitated there, and also fiery planet Mars aspecting the 7th house, which might create fights and clashes between husband and wife, especially for the first 2 weeks of the month of October, as two fiery planets Sun and Mars would be together in the 4th house, creating the home environment and the Sukh Bhava very volatile and not at all favorable for marital life. So you are advised to keep your anger and egos under control and remain calm and patient. Now, regarding the health point of view, the month of October would be good from the health point of view for Gemini native, as the ascendant Lord Mercury would be placed in the 4th house after the first 2 days of month of October in Virgo sign, which is the exalted sign of Mercury. But after 16th of October, Sun will travel to the 5th house in the Libra sign, which is debilitated sign and which can create some stomach issue as it would be aspected by Saturn. So you should keep your eating habits under control and also maintain yourself physically active by regular exercise. The remedies would be do the Jupiter mantra for relationship problems and problems in profession. Also do the Mercury mantra for the health related issues. Also friends, these remedies are general remedies in nature. For specific remedies, I need to see the chart in totality, then only I can recommend any specific remedies for a native. Hope friends you like my video, and if you did like it, then please do comment on it, share it, like it, and also please do subscribe to my channel. And if you need any consultation from me, you can WhatsApp me on 9911351351, or you can log on to www.astrologerraman.com. Thank you friends.
अगर आप भी समस्याओं से परेशान हैं और समाधान पाकर अपने जीवन को सुखमय बनाना चाहते हैं, तो जाने माने ज्योतिषाचार्य आचार्य रमन जी से मिलकर इन सभी समस्याओं का समाधान प्राप्त करें। 3341 सेक्टर 23 हुड्डा, गुड़गांव, हरियाणा 122001। हमारे कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर्स हैं 09911 351 351, 08130 201 201। हमारी वेबसाइट है www.theindianastrologer.com।